Alright. Finally finished all these wear plates and got it all back together. That was a job in itself. So everything is there. And like I said in the previous video, it's best just to replace all the wear plates at once. That way they all wear together. At one point we were doing one here, one there, while they were out, but we changed our ways and just did them all at once. That way they'll all wear together. And our next project on this thing is getting the spout off. Somehow, I believe I'll take it apart in 3 different pieces. Let's get up here. It has a pretty decent dent right in the middle there. And I believe I'll take the back end off and then the middle piece. And while I'm in there, there's wear plates going up through the chute all the way up there, so I'll replace all them. We're a dairy farm and limit on resources, and Colossus wants to send somebody out with extraordinary money to fix some of this shit that we can mainly fix ourselves, with a little time. But before I get to that, we got a new problem right here. Our 6410. That's the speed shifter right there, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. They somehow broke the cable and the holder. So this piece right here is supposed to be connected to this, and they completely broke it off. Now, I have no idea how I'm going to get this all out of here to get to that one arm. I'll probably have to remove the loader, and I'll probably have to move the park reverse mechanism and move all that out of there. Somehow fit that in there, because John Deere, and if anybody ever worked on a starter, John Deere does not give you no room to even fit your hands. They recommend tilting the cab over to access most of that stuff that's below here, hoses and everything. But when I did all my steering lines, like I said, I kind of fished everything through here. So I replaced all these lines before, and that goes to your steering. And the cable runs underneath the tractor. Well, not underneath the tractor, but in a channel. In a channel underneath the tractor. And as you can see, I replaced this PTO shaft, I would not even say a month ago. It blew apart and tore apart the throttle linkage. Let me get a light. So your throttle and your foot pedal are all connected to one shaft going underneath this tractor. I just replaced the PTO shaft, and as you can see, it has a brand new throttle cable and a brand new arm on that throttle cable. And that throttle cable runs, I don't know if you can see it from here, But there's an arm that's connected up there, and it runs across the cab, and it connects to the injector pump. Now this cable that I'm replacing is right here. This thing right here. Now, and there's a holder all the way up there that holds the cable at the spot. I don't know if you can see that, but they don't give you no room to get your hand up in here and at least turn it around. This is John Deere for you. If anybody ever replaced the starter on there, you would know. It's just ridiculous that you have to go through this to change a simple cable. That's it. The throttle cable was hell to get up in there because you have to really take the floor pan out and just feel your way to get the throttle cable up through there. And that shaft that it rides on, I still don't know how I got it back up into the place, but it got up in there without lifting the cab up. So there's a shaft all the way up there that connects to that throttle cable, and it goes across to the injector pump. And like I said, I'm on the point where I'm the sick of this tractor. We should have traded it in. So the cable, it runs that right there. It runs this arm right here.